Gracias. Welcome. What's up, guys? Just arrived at our villa. Just paid 10K cash for this. No, 10 million, my bad. Okay, the villa. There you go.
Yep.
Why would they be monitoring?
It was a crazy first day. Just journaling for a bit. Probably gonna read before going to bed. That's no negotiables. I just closed the deal right now. Just got offered a really nice opportunity for one of the businesses I'm managing, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna make the decision Saturday only because I have a call with the owner, so we're going to talk about it a lot more in depth and sign everything if it makes sense. I got another opportunity tomorrow coming with a super cool guy that I met. We vibe pretty well. I might be actually helping him run a sales team. We'll see. Would be amazing. I don't know, man. Just God just works on really interesting ways. Trust me, if you actually put your trust in him, you're going to do really, really well in life. God is the way, 100%. I'm blessed. Amazing day here at the villa. I showed it already. I'm on the main room. I'm gonna share bed with my boy Tamir. Tomorrow should be a pretty packed day. Have a few really important calls I gotta get on. Close the deal today. I have 3 really nice potential clients that I might close, so should be a really good end of the month. Learning a lot. It's just been amazing, so keep you posted in the next few days. It's amazing, man. Day 2 of the vlog on the Mastermind. Just woke up like 8:30 in the morning. Waking up dizzy was fucking insane. Yeah, the itinerary is we have a workshop right now on physique, health, everything. Then we're gonna go hit the gym and paddle all together. Then we have a few more guest speakers coming. I have to get some work done today. Have a bunch of calls, and then we're probably going out tonight, maybe to Mosh, Nomad as well. Really cool places, really fun. Maybe getting a few drinks. We'll see how it goes. I am feeling a bit sick, to be honest. My throat's a bit sore, but hopefully it's not that annoying through the day. I don't feel like vlogging that much, so it's probably gonna feel a little bit of a shorter vlog, which is fine. This is how physique's looking right now. Gotta lose some fat and we should be looking pretty nice. But yeah, let's see how the day goes. Just at the gym.
Let's go! Look, bro, look how much I older than me.
Got 2 girls in the cut, and I don't know what to do. I fell in love with you.
Just finished that first Mastermind with 2 young guys, 21, business partners. Just made me realize so much shit. Like, they're actually doing real business, not like info shit. They're actually building a education company, like with a bunch of employees. They're fucking printing, probably making over 200-300K a month. Makes you realize like how small you're playing sometimes. You think you're doing good, you think you might be actually like building shit, but you're not. Like, there's so many things you could make a better job at. There's so many systems that you're lacking. Like, just made me realize how you're always thinking small. Like, you can always think bigger. Either way, you're gonna put 6, 8, 10 hours a day. You might as well put them on the right places and actually build something that's gonna last for fucking 100 years. You gotta actually build a real business. It's pretty late, not even, it's like 9 p.m. There's a fit for today. We're going for dinner, Nomad, pretty nice restaurant. Haven't been there, but I've heard pretty good things. After that, we're going to Mosh, kind of dinner club, probably get some drinks and then going to another club. We'll see how that goes. Everyone's getting ready. We should be leaving in around 5 minutes. But yeah, it should be pretty fun as well. A lot of things that happen today, a lot of thinking that needs to be done after everything we've learned. A lot of changes are gonna be made, big steps to take, so I'm pretty excited. No, Matt. boys are there. It's like a restaurant. We're probably gonna get dinner here, and then right next to there we're going to maybe have some drinks. Really nice cars everywhere. Porch. Yeah, it's fucking sick here.
Beautiful to see you tonight. Jack.
Here we
Thank
are.
you, brother.
There we go.
I super
Fuck is
appreciate it.
jacked.
Alright, we're gonna do the same little prank to then. I think he'll be, super happy to be woken up. He's a fitness coach and everything, and he's gonna keep going. Probably gonna wake up in peak performance. Bro, I was about to fucking wake you up. I did it to
You did it to
I
Jack.
did it to Jack and he chased me down. Alright, this didn't work.
Just quick for the vlog, bro. How you feeling today?
Oh, bro. Feeling amazing. How are you?
You look fucking beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
You enjoying yourself?
Oh,
How you feeling today, bro?
Never felt better.
Never from bar? There we go. We're basically getting a yacht. We rented the yacht. We're gonna be spending the afternoon here. Yeah, I haven't vlogged that much today, but it's been sick. Yesterday we came back home at like 6 a.m. Slept 3 hours, so.
Who cares that it is shining? Who cares what it does since you broke my heart?
Why are you holding? Why is Siggy holding stacks of money?
Because I had to fucking pull out cash because you're all fucking.
So it's been a pretty interesting day. We went on the yacht. There's a bunch of pictures and pretty cool videos I take that you've probably already seen. Right now we came back home. We had dinner in a really nice place. Pretty fucking expensive, but it was nice. Holy fuck, it's been a few crazy days. I had 3 hours of sleep yesterday. I'm tired as fuck, but it's almost the last night here. We're probably going out again, so I'm gonna shower. And yeah, I don't know where we're gonna go. Probably somewhere fun, and I'll show you there.
If you're in the info space, you basically own everything.
You're in the info space out of your Dubai penthouse, looking at all the escorts that you're about to film. For your story, you get another $9.97 sale. Yeah. Stripe is shutting down your account for fraud. Like 2 weeks ago, you're so shit. You make $1 million a month. That's contracted.
Info space.
It's the info space. It's the info space. It's the info. Fucking info.
Pick someone's course and take all their content. All their content. You sell that shit for double the price.
Nothing is guaranteed in life but death and taxes.
Hey, you gotta fuck my sister and get your mother to just get the motherfucking guarantee. Hey, fucking info.
Haven't really vlogged shit in the past like 2-3 days. I don't know, I've just felt lazy. I've been pretty much traveling all day, getting some work done at the plane. Right now we're in Atlanta. We're gonna stay here for the night. A friend of mine's gonna come pick me up. I'm probably gonna go get dinner. And then tomorrow morning we're going back to Mexico. Give it a wash, bro. This shit, what the fuck is this, bro? Dirty as fuck.
Let's play some music,
Yeah. Música, wey.
The music stopped working, bro.
You're gonna put fucking.
Piece de cerveza.
Cuando la pena me hace, ya que me
You gotta fuck my sister and get your mother to just get the motherfucking guarantee.